In this tutorial, we'll learn how to process a return and issue store credit to a customer. First, locate the invoice. Once inside the invoice, go to the Open Return Center button, then click Start Return. In this step, select the items, quantities, and reasons for the return. Next, choose the disposition and the warehouse. In this step, select the action you want to take, which in this case is store credit. For this example, we'll return the full invoice. In the final review step, make sure all the information is correct, and then proceed with the return. You'll now see the completed return. If you navigate to the customer profile, you'll notice in green that store credit has been added and is available for future purchases. The customer can redeem this credit when creating a sales order, during a purchase through the POS, or even through the kiosk self-checkout. Thanks for watching.